Hi traders, Eddie here from TradeView. Welcome to episode 63 of Trading Talk. In this episode, we build something that a lot of people have been asking for, and that is a type of pending order. So if you're using pending orders in your trading and you want to know how to build them in EA Lab, then this video is definitely for you. Look, we've got so much stuff going on at the moment. The biggest thing is probably the Algo Trading Conference at the end of the year. We've sold over 10 tickets this week, and that is probably because we have an end of financial year sale on. We're offering up to 60% off different products, including an Algo Trading Conference ticket. So if you want to come, I'd say there's less than 40 tickets available now, and you're going to get the best deal available if you contact us today before the end of financial year. So the offer expires at 6 p.m. today, which is Friday the 29th of June. So if you want to come to the conference, give us a call today. I hope you enjoy this episode, and until next week, all the best with your trading. Bye-bye.